Hey there, Shelly with Shelly Can Help, and we are going to make another healthy recipe today. My whole job and passion is to inspire people like you to get in your kitchen and spend a little bit more time making healthier recipes so that your immune system can be strong, you can stay healthy, you can reduce any symptoms that you have, all through the foods that you eat, right? I believe that food has the power to heal us and it also can make us sick. So I choose healthy. I don't know about you, but I would rather be healthy and eat the foods that are going to feed me well. So let's get started. What we're going to do today, it's a maca bowl. And you're like, what in the world is that? So let's talk for a second about maca. Maca is a root that's found only in Peru, and it's very anti-inflammatory, and it has a lot of hormonal benefits. It improves libido, it gives you energy, has antioxidants, and so you can get it in a powder form and put it in all kinds of things. And so today we're going to make this yummy bowl, and the main ingredient is this maca powder. So what we're going to do today, we're going to add our maca to the blender. Next up, we're going to add some frozen berries, whatever kind of berries you want. I think today I have strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. The recipe and all the measurements will be in the notes of the video. We're going to do a banana. We're going to do some banana potassium, excuse me, and vitamin C. We're going to add some spinach. Spinach has fiber. We need fiber in our diets. You hear me talk about fiber a lot. We're going to add a nut milk, whatever nut milk you want. Today I'm using cashew milk because that's what was in my fridge. You can use almond milk, cashew milk. You can even use oat milk. I know oats are not a nut, but as long as it's dairy-free milk, we are good with that. Really try to limit your soy intake. Soy milk, soy can cause inflammation, so we don't want to consume a ton of it, but if soy is what you have, it's still better than, to me, dairy. Next up, we have chia seeds and flax seeds, the antioxidant lovers. They love to build our healthy cells in the body. They both actually also have a very good source of protein. So flaxseed, chia seeds, put them in anything that you can. They're both really, really good for you. Put those in there. Next up, I want to add just a little bit of honey. Just a little bit. Raw, local honey is best. And the last thing I'm going to add in the blender is cinnamon. Cinnamon is anti-inflammatory as well. So if you like cinnamon, just put as much cinnamon in there as you want. We're going to put this on and blend this little thing up, and I will be right back. Okay, now that all of that is good and blended in the blender, we are going to put it in a bowl. Y'all, I can't even tell you how good this is. All right, take this, put it in our bowl. It's going to be like a smoothie. And if you want it thicker, stick it in the fridge for a little bit. I recommend sticking it in the fridge for at least an hour, because what's going to happen is you're going to relax those chia seeds. Those chia seeds really need to relax so you can get all the nutrients from them. Here's the fun part. You can get creative with this, right? So now you're going to add things to the bowl. So today I'm going to add blueberries, strawberries, kiwi. I love the tartness of the kiwi with the sweetness of the banana. Now what I'm going to do is add my homemade granola. All I did was take oats. I heated the pan with coconut oil, got it hot, added rolled oats, and then I added shaved almonds, sauteed it until it just toasted, got really toasty, and you could smell it getting toasty. Take it off the heat, add some local honey to it, and bam, you have your own little healthy granola, and it's crunchy, a little bit sweet, and you're getting a little bit of protein from the nuts, you're getting fiber from the oats, and honey is really good for the immune system. And then we're going to top it off with some hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are antioxidant and they have protein. There we go. There you have it. A maca bowl. Gorgeous, loaded with flavor. It's sweet, it's tangy, and it has a ton of nutrients. Okay, the recipe is going to be in the notes of this video, and don't forget, Head to ShellyCanHelp.com if you want to learn more about me. And of course, please follow me on social media at ShellyCanHelp. On all social platforms, I am here to help you eat a little healthier and make some really delicious, simple, and healthy recipes. I gotta go for now, but until I do, I have one more question. What is on your fork? Bye.